To draw a cricket bat real easy, decide how long your handle is going to be, and then let's start up there. So if your handle is going to be that long, then the bat wants to be twice as long and then a little bit extra. Okay, and maybe you could help yourself by putting a line down the middle as a guide. Now we're going to come down the side of that line, and when we get to just about there, we're going to do a curve, and we'll come down here again like this, and then we'll do a curve like that. On the top here, we'll do a little curve going upwards, slightly out, and then another curve, so it's just slightly wider on the top. And now here, we want this to come out the right width of the bat, okay? And now this is the difficult bit, is to come down really nice and straight to about there, off the page. Let me zoom out like that. And then let's come all the way down on the other side like that. And then we join them with a very shallow curve at the bottom like that. Here we want to have a bit of a curve like that and like that. And then we're going to want a bit of fancy stuff going on. So we'll put that across there. And let's put CRICKET, and then we'll have another thing coming down there like that. It's just all a bit of fancy printing on here to make it look cool. And let's have like a cricket ball thingy in the middle, a kind of cricket ball logo. I'm going to have a bit of printing in there telling you who made it. And that'll probably be quite enough, I should think. And then I'm going to put lots of little marks here up the side of the bat. So this is shading, just to make it sort of feel like it's a round kind of thing like that. And then I think we can do a bit of wood pattern like that. So hold the pen much more lightly, I think, while you do that, and then that will give it that kind of wood effect. When you're sure that the ink is dry, erase those pencil lines and click that subscribe button at the same time. Thank you very much. And colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Come back next time and draw stuff real easy. Bye.